Michelle here with StrawBearie, and today is an Amazon dresses haul and try on. So I've ordered 7 dresses off of Amazon that I'm going to try on for you and show you. None of these dresses is expensive. 6 of them are under $15 and only 1 is under $20. And 4 of them have arrived. They arrived yesterday and 3 are coming today. So I'm gonna try these on and I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm a teacher and I live in Texas and it's in triple-digit weather right now and I have to go back to work. And dresses are cooler than pants and they still look professional. So I'm going to try these summer dresses as teacher dresses. All right, let's start with this one. This one is a pink floral with a little sleeve, a V-neck, okay? It does have a seam here at the waist, and all of my dresses that I've picked do have pockets because a dress is not a dress without a pocket. And let's go see how this one looks. Here is dress number 1. I really like this one. I like that it has a waistband. It's a high waist. It's flowy. The sleeves are flowy and cool. It is a fitted bodice and seems to fit really well on me. And it's knee length, totally school appropriate. And I think this one is a keeper. Next, we're gonna try on this solid color maxi dress with a V-neck. And it does have a slit on the sides and a rounded hem. The color is nice. It has a little cap sleeve. It's very loose and flowy. It has this side slit on both sides and a curved hem there at the bottom. So easy to move in, do all your things. I think very appropriate for teaching. It's very soft. The fabric is very soft and I like the V-neck. My only concern, yes, it does have pockets. My only concern is just that it's a little plain. But once you're wearing your lanyard for school and stuff, or maybe a scarf added to this could be really cute. Next, we're gonna try this striped dress. It's sleeveless V-neck striped dress. Let's try it on. I think I like this one. It's a little shorter. It's just above the knees. It is sleeveless, but I can have a whole 4 fingers right there. If you know school dress codes, you know what I'm doing. It's not really a V. It is more of a rounded neck. The pocket, instead of hidden pockets on the sides, they are sewn on top pockets right here, but it does have pockets. So yeah, what do you think? I think it's pretty cute. This one is kind of a crazy pattern. Piece of tissue paper. And that's what it looks like. So let's go try this one on. Here is dress number 4. I like the kind of crazy pattern. It has hidden side pockets. It is just above the knees with a little bit of a sleeve and a V-neck. The fabric is soft and comfortable. And this one was only $11.99. So I'm thinking I like this one too. What do y'all think? Amazon just came. I got my next couple dresses to try on. So excited. So this is the next one. It is this dark blue floral. This fabric feels a little lighter and flimsier than the others so far. Hidden pockets, just another plain dress. Call these a naked dress because like they sit on your shoulders and that's about it. So let me go try this one on. Here you go. Pockets, round neck, flowy skirt. I like the way the skirt flows and swishes. It's just above the knees. Feels almost a little tight right in the arm area. I would say that so far out of all the dresses I've tried on, this is my least favorite, but it's still actually pretty cute. The fabric is a little lighter, but it's not too light, and since it's a dark color, it's fine. Okay, the next dress is this white and blue one. Okay, let's go try it on. We have this white and blue one. I really like the band at the bottom. I think that's cool. Pockets, round neck, sleeves. It has that same coloring on the bottom of the sleeves. The fabric honestly feels a little bit like nightgown fabric. That would be my only complaint about this one. And I'm sorry if you hear my dog panting in the background. I don't know why she's panting so hard. She's just laying here. Anyway, what do y'all think? You like it or not? Last one, and this one just came like this in the mail. It wasn't in a box or a envelope or anything. And hold on. It is the same fabric as the dress that I've already tried on. Okay, so this is the one I already tried on. And this is the new one. It is a sleeveless maxi. And this one, I believe, was my most expensive one. It was 17 something. So I don't think I should keep both because they're the same pattern. So you have to let me know in the comments which one you end up liking better, the shorter one or the maxi one. So here's the last dress, and it has side slits, round neck, little sleeves, hidden pockets, just a easy breezy flowy type of dress. And I did not mean to buy two with the same printed fabric. So I'm not sure right now which one I want to keep and which one I would send back. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you think this one looks better on me or if you think the short one looks better on me. And that's it. That is my Amazon dress haul for the new school year for a teacher. In the comments, tell me which dress is your favorite. And like this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, toodles!